What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to try to troubleshoot this Craftsman ratchet. It's starting to kind of like, you hear that? It's not clicking all the time. It sounds like it's crudted up. So I'm going to take that apart, I'm going to clean it up, see if I can fix it, salvage it. If not, I'll be taking it in to trade in. Let's see what we get into. Pop that out. See, that looks okay. Clean it up. Maybe it just needs a little grease. It's not even that dirty. A little oil. You know what? They might be stripped. So it looks like I fixed it. All I did was clean up the gear with a little bit of brake clean, cleaned out the gunk from the inside there. The paws here and the gear don't seem like they're too torn up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some white lithium WD-40 on the inside there, and I'm going to put this back together, and I'm going to test her out. I'll come back on here in a couple minutes. So yeah, that dirt in there was definitely the problem. I went ahead and popped that front back together. Go ahead and put it in the extension here so you can see. It's ratcheting real smooth now, both ways. So just wipe up a little bit of this white lithium WD-40 that's leaking out of this thing, and I can put it back in the drawer and hopefully use it for another 10 years. Catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell.